Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Bell Park, one of Sudbury, Ontario's most beloved neighborhoods and gathering places. Nestled along the shores of beautiful Ramsey Lake, this area is known for its walking trails, beaches, and scenic views. Bell Park is named after William J. Bell, a prominent local lumber and mining businessman who donated the land to the city in the early 1900s. Over time, it has grown into a vibrant recreational hub where residents and visitors can swim, boat, and enjoy outdoor concerts. The park is home to the Grace Hartman Amphitheater, a venue for music festivals and community events. Its lush gardens, shaded picnic areas, and sandy beach make it a favorite destination in every season. Whether you're here to catch a concert, stroll by the lake, or simply enjoy the fresh air, Bell Park is a place that feels like home. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Sudbury, Ontario. Thanks for watching.